to Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make red pepper hummus. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is get one red capsicum or a red pepper, whatever you want to call it. We're going to place this straight onto our stove on a high heat. And all we want to do is grill this on all sides until it's nice and charred. Now you can put this into the oven if you prefer, but I prefer straight on the fire because you get that smoky flavour. Now this won't take that long, it'll probably take about 5 minutes. And you don't want to just keep turning it to make sure it's charred all over. Alright guys, so I'm at the 5-minute mark now. Just turned it to low. That's looking pretty good all over, nice and charred, which is what we want. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off. And what I'm going to do is place our capsicum just into a stainless steel bowl. Make sure it's a heat-proof bowl. And we're going to cover this with some cling wrap. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now this is going to help with the peeling process because it's going to be steaming up in there. So guys, let's just leave it alone for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after about 10 minutes we'll go ahead and take the cling wrap off. And as you can see, it peels much easier. Just look at that. So just go ahead and peel it all off. As you can tell, I'm wearing gloves. This is still ridiculously hot. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and take the stem out as well. Just be careful doing that because the inside's going to be very hot. Now you can take out the majority of the seeds, you can leave a bit, that's fine. They're not going to be too hot. And I'm just going to bring across our food processor. So the first thing we'll do is add in our red capsicum straight in. Now I'm going to add canned chickpeas to this. Now this is a 400 gram can. But we need to drain this, but before we do that I'm going to keep about 3 tablespoons of this water because we're going to need that. And I'm also going to keep just a few of the chickpeas just like that as a garnish. And we'll add our chickpeas straight in. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and we'll add in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So guys, the other main ingredient in this is going to be tahini. Now I've got a 1/4 cup here. We're going to add this after. First we want to blend this and get it nice and smooth. So lid on and just on a high speed. Okay, so we'll just stop it, scrape all the sides just to make sure there's no big chunks in there. Now you'll see it's just a little bit liquidy. That's nothing to worry about because once we add the tahini, that'll thicken up. So guys, at this stage I'm going to add in our saved over water from the chickpeas, so we'll need about 3 tablespoons of it. Now you can just add any water you want, but this water has better flavour. And at this point we'll go ahead and add in our tahini as well. Get that all out. Now don't skip on the tahini. I know a lot of people don't like the flavour of sesame, but tahini is one of the main ingredients. And at this stage I'll also add in 2 crushed garlic cloves. Alright, so once again on high speed. So that's the consistency you want. It shouldn't be too runny, but it shouldn't be too thick either. Because once we chill this, it's going to thicken up even more. So let's go ahead and serve. Alright guys, and there we have it. So we'll just add some chickpeas on top as a garnish. Next we'll just sprinkle some smoked paprika on top. Some fresh parsley. And we'll finish it off with a drizzle of olive oil. And there we have it. Alright guys, and that's my take on red pepper hummus. So very easy to make as you saw. I'll just start up with some fried Lebanese bread here. Let's give this a try to make sure it's good. Amazing. Like, the red pepper really gives it that little bit of a kick. So guys, storage wise, you can keep this up to a week in the refrigerator. but it's very easy to make, perfect for a dinner party. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.